Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're unable to download Snapchat on your Android device, there could be a few different reasons why this is happening. Let's go through the possible causes and how to fix them. First, check if your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent downloads from starting or cause them to fail. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data and see if that makes a difference. Sometimes a simple connection change can fix download issues instantly. Next, ensure your device has enough storage space. Open settings, go to storage, and check how much free space is available. If your storage is full, you won't be able to install new apps, including Snapchat. In this case, you'll need to delete unused apps, photos, or files to free up space before attempting to download again. Another thing to check is whether your device meets Snapchat system requirements. If you're using an older Android model, Snapchat may not be supported, and that could be why it's not showing up for download. You should also check for Google Play Store restrictions. Things like parental controls or region settings may be blocking Snapchat from appearing on your device. If none of these solutions work, try restarting your device and logging into a different Google account on the Play Store. Sometimes account-related issues can prevent certain apps from being downloaded, and switching accounts may help refresh your Play Store access. If all else fails and you're completely unable to install the app, you can always use Snapchat Web as an alternative. It doesn't offer the full mobile experience, but it allows you to send messages and access chats from a browser. If you need to use Snapchat but can't install the app, this might be your best temporary solution. That's it. Now you know why Snapchat might not be downloading on your Android and what you can do to fix it. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Android and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.